Hi. Under Java OOP, add another class. I'm gonna call it inside job, add main, click finish. Today's scenario will be emulate bank ATM. Emulate bank ATM functionality. And lesson objective, learn Java inside class functionality. Now I need to explain you some difference between methods and object-oriented programming. First, what is the difference between methods and object-oriented programming? Procedural programming is the process of procedures or methods creation to perform operations with data. However, object-oriented programming is the process of creating objects which contain both data and methods. And extra knowledge, what is Java or any other language like object-oriented like C#, C++, Python, object-oriented programming concepts. Point number 1. Classes and objects are the two components of object-oriented programming. Second point, in Java language, an object is created from a class. Third, an object is a separate entity having two characteristics as state and behavior. Number 4. In object-oriented, a class is a template blueprint from which an individual objects are created. Fifth point. A class has attributes which are fields and methods which are functions. For example, ATM class example. Attributes methods. Attributes like bank card, cardholder name, card PIN, account types. And methods. Verify PIN number, view menu, choose transaction, or receive confirmation. Concept number 6. Inheritance is a process of reusing the functionalities of existing base parents superclass to new, which is derived child subclass. You're gonna see later expressions like parent class, child class, superclass, or subclass. In order to inherit from a super parent class, apply the extends keyword. I'm gonna show you later. Polymorphism, many faces, is used to create multiple forms with the same name of a single of an object's template. Abstraction is a technique of hiding internal details and showing only essential functionalities to a user. Encapsulation is the process of hiding or preserving sensitive data from users and binding class members or attributes and methods together. To encapsulate, First action. Declare class variables which are attributes as private. By default, they are public. Second, provide public get and set methods to access and update the private variable's value. Sometimes get are called getters and set are called setters. Now, I'll show you basic how to do it. Right now, I'm going to place class attributes inside the class, which is class lecture 16 inside job. I'm gonna create first class attributes. Data type string, client name, no, bank name could be, let's say, international exchange monetary bank, something like that. Then string data type, client name would be bank member. Then integer card personal identification number PIN 1 2 3 4 good enough. Double account balance, let's say 3 5 6 45, good enough. Okay, so inside the class, inside job, I've created class members, class attributes. Here I need to create a template from this class, a new class. Copying this class name and part 1. New class from template, which is the class itself. L16 inside job, our class name, is a data type, becomes a data type. Now I'm saying new class and I'm trying to copy from this data type. What's wrong here? You need to apply a new keyword. And all is nice. Now I've created new variable from our class data as a data type. And this class has all these attributes. Right now, I can apply it. Sorry, it's not what I meant. Apply it and see our attributes here, which I gonna put on display. 2, part 2, display, new class, and method. Good. Plus, and I'm asking for bank name right here. Copy paste. Then it was client name. Is in here. I'm going to select client name right here. Next one, pin. I'm going to select card pin right here. And I'm going to select account balance. Good. So far, I've created only attributes, which are members. But I also want to display some kind of method which belongs to our class. So display ATM menu. Menu. And now I wanna put some kind of lines, but to the next line each. So I'll make like that. No, display, so select menu choice, and to put it on the next line, backslash new line. Second, select account. Again, I'd like to put it on a new line. Third, tune, new line, and fourth, no, tune, new. Number 5 will be okay. Now I'd like to format it. Very good. And now I need to call this method. Simply call it. So our new variable class here, period, display ATM menu right here. Display ATM menu. Select it. Now let's run it and see the output. Very good, as we expected. Bank name, client name, card PIN, account balance, and the menu itself. Here, I'd like to put it also to the next line. No, sorry, it's not here. Right here. I also would like to put it to the next line. Rerun. Exactly as we want. And the menu itself. So what did we learn today to sum up? Today we learn basic class. Starting with simple inside job. I called it inside job because it's inside class. In your own class, inside, outside of the main method. You created new class attributes and another class method. Inside the main method, you created a new variable, and data type is already the class itself. Using new keyword you created from a template. You created new class from existing class. And using this new variable as a new class, you were able to call class attributes and class method. See you in the next lecture.